heading back into Batcave and get some bait. Ran out of bait. I told him we should have got some. Oh, speed limit 20. Caught 7 fish last night, ate 6 of them. Caught 1 this morning already. Alright, so we bought bait yesterday. I was not paying attention to where we were. I know it's somewhere here though. Lake Lure. Chimney Rock. Right up there. Way up there. Check out my other videos because this is just my GoPro. I did a drone video up top of the mountain. Alright, I gotta find bait. Lake Lure, Memorial Day weekend. Memorial Day being Monday. A little action on the beach. With the water slides going. Beautiful day to be in Lake Lure, North Carolina. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Got something going on here, like a little flea market over here on the right. Awesome restaurant here at the top of the hill. La Strada restaurant. Expect it to be expensive. It is. Lake Lure, the site of Dirty Dancing. I know that store is right here somewhere. Boy, what a line to get in town. Oh yeah, store's open. Look at the line to get in town. Batcave. Oh my word. You'd think it was a holiday weekend or something. Alright everybody, look at that beautiful view. I think that's why they're here. Local goodies, meat produce. Live bait and tackle. That's what I'm here for. Hello, hello.
Hey, how we going?
I'm doing wonderful. How are you doing today?
I'm doing. Great.
We need some worms. We run out of bait, man.
You want big reds or night crawl?
How about a little bit of each?
Yeah, a little bit. That makes sense. You know how fish are.
Yeah, man. They're picky.
Night crawl is not appealing to me.
They are picky.
You need any non-live bait?
Nope, just worms, man.
Okay. 704 is your total.
That's wonderful. We ran out of bait. We didn't think we were going to catch so many.
That's nice.
We caught like 7 yesterday.
What'd you catch?
The brown, the speckle, and there was 3 different types we caught yesterday.
You got rainbow too?
Rainbow.
Wow.
Caught some rainbow.
Where were you fishing?
Right, you know where the Geneva Motel is?
Yeah.
Right behind it.
Nice. Nice. All right, you're good there.
Yeah, right behind it.
$7. You want a bag for that?
No, sir, buddy.
Okay.
We're ready to use it.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. And if you get hungry, best food Lake Lure right over there.
Yes, sir, my friend.
All right. Thanks, man.
I gotta wait for a spot. Thank you. Appreciate you very much. Yes, sir. People were very nice. Let me out nicely. Let the person out in front of me nicely. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Lake Lure. Memorial Day weekend. Monday is Memorial Day. I hope y'all are having an awesome weekend. I know I am. I worked like 23 days between doing some mobile home repairs, video making for mobile home repairs, YouTube, Scrapping with Grandpa, and I'm going to put this video on both channels. I just make it a little bit different for each. But this is my weekend, and I'm not doing any mountain climbing, I can tell you that. But they are doing some fishing. I'm just doing some droning. And right now my girl's charging up back there, getting ready to fly up on top of the mountain. So if you're seeing this video, look for my drone video of Batcave. I'm flying up there. You see, with his flag up there, you can't see it on this one because it's a long ways away, but there's a flag up there and people are standing on that thing, and I'm flying up to it. And then there's a huge waterfall that's probably 1,500 feet tall. I don't know how many feet it is, but it's tall. And we're gonna fly up to there again. So this will be my second day in a row flying my drone up there. I would love to get to where I can fly my drone there and then bring it down over here and get this view too in the same video. So where I'm at the Geneva, I might be able to do that. So I'm bringing back them some worms for fishing, and yeah, if they catch too many, they can do catch and release, but we had some good fish last night. Oh yeah, a lot of good stuff going on in Lake Lure this weekend. This is Saturday, Memorial Day weekend. Oh yeah, people buying things. Yes sir. Yes sir. Look at there, he bought him a beautiful table, probably handmade right here in Lake Lure, who knows. You gotta love it. Uh-oh, good music. It's a beautiful day in Lake Lure. Thank you for your service, my friend. Thank you. Thank you. Sir. Oh yeah, look at that, beautiful. That's a beautiful table.
Thank you.
All right, I am. There's a mountain up there that people climb on, Chimney Rock, and I'm gonna try to fly there and come down here to the beach from where I'm at. I might be at a pretty good location. I probably won't be able to make it to the waterfall on this video, but I'm sure I did one on another video with the waterfall involved in it. Japan house, Japan house. It's a tow zone too, let me tell you. This is just a beautiful place to come. The first time I came here, I was 15 years old, and we came up here to help Daddy Wally, the man I'm with now today. I had just met him, and build his cabin. So we started building his cabin up here, and we spent like 9 days. Me, him, and his brother. We were with the jackleg builders, and we were putting posts in the ground to build a house on with post hole diggers. No water jet, drilling pilings down. It was go down as far as you could until you couldn't reach the handles anymore, or until you ran into a rock. Lots of rocks on the mountains. Just saying. Come on. All right. Sorry, everybody. I should already have it hooked up. I just kind of threw it on to fake myself out and the policeman I was driving by. But yeah, my guys are fishing up here. Right behind the Geneva Motel. I think that's what they call it. Geneva, I don't know. Find out here in a minute. But this is going from Lake Lure, heading up into Batcave. And yeah. I've climbed up there many times. Just can't do it anymore. Ah, where is it? It's a long ways up there. Here's the motel. Okay. I'm at the Geneva, the Geneva Riverside Grill. Yeah, I'm making a left. Let me shut this thing off. Tables, $1 an hour each. Car. Well, you got to make money any way you can make it around here.
Well, we're going to get some honey for supper. I was like, my wife said, don't come back without some honey.
Never mind the fish.
What do we got here? Batcave Apple House. Do not touch the produce. Your lip or noses. Thank you. Okay. Your lips or noses. Let's go on in.
She'll be up there probably every week anyway. That's got quite a bit. I ain't gonna do the sound with it. Yeah. Well, you want water too? We get a diet something. Andrew?
I may get I haven't even looked to see what they have, Bill. I'm probably gonna get a water though. Yeah. It'll last longer.
He wants to Diet Coke.
I'm getting myself a water. All I need.
That's the main thing, right? Yeah. Well, he's not and she went at the haircut. The hair really good compared to what Amanda cared for last this January. Her health was really good. After January, she started with the full day. Not the rest of your sister come in much? No. Her diabetes pretty much got the best of her. Oh, wow. You're running the shop. Oh, and Bill, were you looking for anything for Batcave?
No, not really.
Okay. Yeah, I need to order some stuff. I got some t-shirts on order, but...
Do you get any that's not stamped but embroidered with Batcave on the hat?
Well, well, let's see. It seems like been so long since I've bought that particular hat. I can't remember. But it was the the one that looked like bats flying out of the building. $3.
Ah, great. Oh yeah, so.
Yeah, once you buy them, you got to sell them, right?
Shit. That ain't gonna work too good.
They stopped this week, you know. I didn't see them. Didn't see them. Yeah.
let's give them a plug here. Welcome to Chimney Rock Village. And it looks like the roof washing guys are right here. Give them a call. I'd say it's getting a little wore out too. Got time to do some work to the bridge.